Hello traders, Matt Chapman here. I'm the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is the 31st of January 2017. A busy few days for me, so apologies for the lack of videos, but we're back in the driving seat now. And the first trap we're going to look at is what I refer to as an outside candle trap. This was one of the it was the original trap that I sort of uncovered. It was this candle here, and it's also as well. I'll move this out of the way in a moment. It's also as well what I referred to as a rat trap, and the rat trap occurred in there. And I'll just clean that up, and we'll walk you through it. All right. So an outside candle trap is when you have a candle trading in the direction of the move previous to the trap occurring. So if you're going up, it looked as if it was heading up. If you're going down, it looked as if it was heading down. And the context of the market prior to the trap was that the market was heading in that direction as well. So as you can see, the market was making, it's not great, but the market was making a series of high highs, high lows, quite volatile. And that type of price action there is very, very seducing, eye-catching. It makes people want to get on that pullback, and as it breaks to new highs, it does indeed look as if it's going to follow through, as you can see. So the wick, what is a wick? Well, a wick, it's in here. The wick is really a trap, because if you think about the process of a wick actually ending up as a wick, it started life out differently, right? It started out life as a bull candle. This was a continuation of that move, right? That pullback, but also a continuation of that move prior to the pullback as well. So the fact that it sort of net all stacks up, that the market was heading directionally and very eye-catching in that direction as well. You don't want something like this where it's like barely moving up. You want price to break out of maybe some recent swings, etc. The more vertical, the better, because it just follows that loads of people will have eyeballs on that, right? Retracement traders love all that stuff. Potential breakout traders, as price breaks beyond the prior high like that, they get caught as well. And everybody gets caught who went long within the confines of that candle, because that candle was bullish, and now it's very definitely not bullish, right? Reverses, closes hard, down near its lows, trapping a load of people. As you can see, if you were in this move, you are in serious trouble when price is here, and then obviously as it follows through, even more so. Now then, what's happening now is, imagine if you were trapped in there, and because we know that humans are really quite bad with discipline, so there's definitely people caught in here. We've hacked the strategies of a particular group of traders, a breakout trader trading the breakout that prior high, and also retracement traders getting caught in there. We know that there's a portion of those traders that were still in this trade when prices were down here, and obviously, you know, the person who went long in here was happy, hopeful, and believing that they were going to make some money. The trader that is in those positions still down in here is hoping that they get out of this bad situation alive, right? Tears rolling down the face. Now you just think about that emotional psychology of this move back up into this level. Price as it is here would have been the most hopeful, or in here as well, would have been, these two examples would have been the most hopeful moments during the course of this losing trade if you were holding the position. As price starts to come back, obviously the loss in your account down here is a lot worse than what your account loss would be here, but then it goes all the way back down, so they're back in this position again, worse than before, and then slowly but surely it's grinded its way back. And now start wondering what that individual would do if they had indeed been through that entire psychological disaster. What would they be doing if they got the chance over here? I would suggest they would exit en masse, right? Exit and break even, importantly. So if there were buyers over here, right, if they were buying this pullback, if they were buying that breakout, so we retracement traders, breakout traders. If they were buying over here, they got caught, they held the losing position. Now it comes back into here for the very first time. They will likely bail out at break even, and because they were originally over here buyers, that means that to exit they must sell. Well, that's interesting. So that then might mean that this is a good place to sell, because those trap traders are going to be motivated to get out over here. Now there are other reasons why this would be a good location to have a look for a sell trade as well. A bit beyond the scope of this this video, but you get the idea. They will bail out because their motivations have shifted. Over here it's all about making money. Over here it's all about not telling the husband or wife that they needly blew the holiday money, or worse, the retirement funds. So they're very motivated, highly motivated to get out of those trades, and that will ensure that there is a degree of forced supply over here. So if you'd be interested in learning more about our trading hacks, over the last decade I've been reverse engineering basically all the major trading strategies that exist, and in particular we've got one for trading non-farm payrolls. It's actually for any major news event that occurs, or risk event that occurs. It's even good for referendums and big political elections and things like that. It's a very handy skill set to have in your trading arsenal. It's not like news trading as you might kind of understand it. It's nothing like that at all. It's totally different. If you'd like to join me, we've got a live trade room for this coming Friday for non-farms. Then click the link. There's a link I've just put in the description box below. Click that link and come and join me, and I'll look forward to seeing you on Friday. And take care and all the best.